how to download YouTube video to USB flash drive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from YouTube and save them to a USB flash drive. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I'm going to do is just simply plug a USB flash drive into my computer. Then I just need to open up a browser and navigate to youtube.com. Once you get to youtube.com, go up to the top right, select your profile icon, and then select YouTube Studio. So once on the YouTube Studio, select Content in the left menu here, and then you'll see all of the videos that you've uploaded on this channel to YouTube. So legally, the only videos we can download to a USB flash drive are going to be videos we've uploaded. So once you find the video you want to download, select the little three dots here, and then select Download. Then all you need to do in this left menu here is find the USB flash drive and open it up, and then just save the video to it. Then I can open up the File Explorer to go to USB drive, and I can open up the video that I just downloaded from YouTube. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.